Hello and welcome to Product Reviews by HookedOnTronics. Today we're going to talk about another great amplifier made by Kicker. If you have a great sound system in your vehicle, you may have one of Kicker's products. Kicker has been designing audio systems since 1973 and is well known as one of the best manufacturers in the market. The amplifier we have here today is the PX200.1, part of Kicker's powersports line. Powersports are high-power, low-draw amplifiers, and they are the perfect solution for the open-air listening environment. And in a tiny little chassis, you can put just about anywhere. The PX200.1 is a monoblock amplifier with 200 watts RMS at one channel into a 0.5 ohm load. And if you want to run a subwoofer on your motorcycle, Kicker recommends pairing it with 6.5 1 ohm Kicker Comp VT PowerSports subwoofer. This subwoofer is weatherproof for saddlebag installation on a motorcycle, and it's the perfect combo with this amplifier. With only 2 inches high, 3.5 inches wide, and 3.75 inches long, this incredibly small footprint amplifier was created especially for power sports vehicles, and it's great for motorcycles, UTVs, boats, golf carts, ATVs, snowmobiles, and any other place where you're limited in space, but you don't want to be limited with the sound quality. The PX200.1 amplifier is so small and cool during operation thanks to direct amp technology. It uses the vehicle's charging system as power supply for 90% efficiency, meaning that it draws less than 15 amps for solid power output without taxing the limited charging capacity found on motorcycles, utility, or other vehicles. Little ventilation is required for good operation. To improve audio quality, it also contains a differential audio circuit that reduces engine noise in the audio system for ultra-low total harmonic distortion. Kicker PX amps utilize a speaker or low-level input, variable input gain adjustment, and 2 auto turn-on modes, DC offset or 12-volt trigger. The 12-volt is the traditional turn-on connection, or if you have a typical source unit that has a few volts of DC offset on its speaker output, you can set the PX100.2 to DC signal sensing and it will turn on as soon as the radio output comes alive. The PX200.1 includes a 24 decibel subsonic filter fixed at 40 Hz and a selectable on-off bass boost of +6 decibels centered at 60 Hz. The installation of the PX200.1 amplifier is very easy. A single Molex plug contains all wiring connections. All the wires you need for proper installation are in this little plug. The connection for your car battery, remote turn-on, RCA inputs, and speaker connection wires. On one side you have all of the connections, and on the other side you have all the switches, so it's very easy to control. The automatic turn-on selection switch for selecting 12-volt or DC offset turn-on, input level switch for choosing if the amplifier will receive high or low level signals from your source unit, the on-off bass boost switch, low pass switch to set the internal crossover and selecting a cutoff point of 100 Hz or 250 Hz, and of course you also have the gain control. Made for the outdoors, PX amps are weather resistant with a conformal-coated circuit board for extra protection against the elements. It also includes no rust, stainless steel mounting hardware. PX amps take into account real-world, open-air listening and power sports applications, smartly directing precious power where it succeeds, in the 40 to 250 Hz frequency range, so a biker or rider can truly hear and feel it in the open air. Having a great sound system in your vehicle is desirable. Having a Kicker system is even better. So if you have a power sports vehicle, and the PX Power Sport amplifiers are perfect for you. You can look for us on YouTube. We hope to see you again soon.